Hi, it's Danny here with another Scratch tutorial. In this tutorial I'll do a very quick guide to how you can get Scratch characters to speak when you click on them, but not just speak in text, to actually talk. So we're going to use a text-to-speech version, which looks a bit like this.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
So if you want to make your Scratch characters do that, watch this video and I'll show you how to do it. So the first thing we need to do is to add in this text-to-speech plugin to Scratch, which you access from down here in this bottom left corner. I'm going to click on there. I'm going to click on text-to-speech, and that will give me this new box here down the bottom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my cat. I'm going to choose an event. So I'm going to do when this sprite is clicked, he's going to say something. Now you could use the dialogue method, which I will put into another video, where you can set up having characters speak to each other several times. I'm just going to add this one for the minute to be when this character is clicked, he says a thing. So I'm going to do when this sprite is clicked, click on text to speech, and he's going to speak hello. So if I click on him,
Hello.
he says hello. So what we could do is change the voice if you want to, so we can set the voice to another voice. So we can put in here, when the sprite is clicked, set voice to auto. So we have various different ways of speaking. Let's try giant.
Hello.
Hello. Or we can try kitten.
Meow.
Yeah. Less useful. So let's change him back to alto.
Hello.
And then we could have the dog say something else. If I click on the dog, I can have him say something. When this sprite is clicked, he is going to say something else. So he's going to change his voice to the giant. I think a nice deep voiced dog. He's going to say hello, how are you? So let's try that.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Quite nice. You can, if you want to, change the language as well. There are other languages in here. If you wanted to speak in different languages, you can do that. So if we change the language there to French, I'll put that in there. If we type something in French,
Bonjour, ça va?
then he speaks French. Nice and easy. You just need to basically use these text-to-speech buttons here, which is a simple plugin. Go away and have a play. Let me know what you think. If you like that video, please go and check out the other Scratch tutorials I'm starting to put on. There's a few on there now. We'll go through different aspects of Scratch. So if you want to have a sort of beginner's guide to Scratch, go take a look at those. I'll be back soon with some more Scratch videos in the near future. Thanks so much for your time. I'll see you soon. Cheers. Goodbye.